How to get and enable the dark mode on Microsoft OneDrive. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to Microsoft OneDrive. As you can see, this is the home page right here. Now all what you have to do is simple. Go to the me option down here in the corner down, click on me. Now click on settings right here on this page. After you click on settings, it will take you to this page. Click on the theme option right here and click on dark like this. Now as you can see, we just enabled the dark mode on OneDrive. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you later. Until